Welcome back to Pencil Pushers. Today, I'll show you how to draw this beautiful, moody bird using charcoal pencils. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the materials. I'm using a soft charcoal pencil, an HB pencil, a kneaded eraser, a blending brush or tissue, and drawing paper. If you have different grades of charcoal, you can use those as well. Now, let's start with the sketch. Let's begin with the construction sketch. First, draw a square. This will help you place the bird's body correctly. Now, draw a circle inside the square for the main body. Next, add a smaller rounded shape above it for the head. Sketch a simple guideline for the beak, extending slightly to the left. Keep all your construction lines light, because we'll erase them later. Once that's done, we're ready to refine the bird's shape. Now, let's turn these simple shapes into a bird. Start by sketching the tail extending downward. Next, refine the head and connect it smoothly to the body. Using light, flowing lines, shape the back, chest, and belly. Finally, draw the thin legs and claws holding the branch. At this stage, don't worry about the small details. Just focus on getting the overall shape and proportions right. Now, let's draw the branches. Start with the main branch beneath the bird. Use light, natural strokes instead of perfectly straight lines. Then, add a few smaller branches extending downward. Vary the thickness to make them look more realistic and organic. With the branches in place, we're ready to start shading with charcoal.
With the sketch complete, it's time to start shading with charcoal. Begin by applying a soft, even layer over the entire bird. Don't worry about making it too dark at this stage. Once the base layer is in place, gradually darken the wings and the tail to build depth and contrast. We'll refine the smaller details in the next steps.
Now, let's add detail to the wings. Follow the natural direction of the feathers and use short, gentle strokes to build the texture. Darken the spaces between the feathers while leaving a few lighter areas for highlights. These small details will make the wing look much more realistic. Next, let's work on the lower part of the bird. Using soft charcoal strokes, gradually build the shadows along the belly and lower body. Keep the shading smooth and even, blending it gently into the darker areas. This will give the bird more depth and a natural three-dimensional look. Now, let's bring the bird to life by working on the head and eye. Gradually darken the head using smooth charcoal strokes. Carefully draw the eye, leaving a tiny highlight to create a natural reflection. Finally, refine the beak with soft shading underneath to add depth and make the features stand out. Now, let's continue refining the body. Add a little more charcoal wherever the shadows need to be deeper. Blend the darker and lighter areas smoothly to create a soft transition. Take your time with this step, as smooth shading will make the bird look much more natural and realistic.
Now, let's strengthen the branches. Using the charcoal pencil, carefully darken the main branch first, then work on the smaller ones. Vary the pressure slightly to create a more natural look. The darker branches will help the bird stand out even more. Now it's time to create the smoky background. Apply charcoal around the edges of the paper, leaving the area behind the bird much lighter. Using a tissue or blending brush, gently blend the charcoal in circular motions. Build the effect gradually until the background looks soft, smooth, and atmospheric. And that's it. Our charcoal bird drawing is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to Pencil Pushers for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.